Welcome, my dear student, in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 12, that is relating to Heron's formula. So in this formula, we are discussing about the area of triangle as well as area of any quadrilateral. Today's Today I am going to tell you about a triangle. When its sides are not given to you, it is given in the form of a ratio and along with its perimeter. So how to calculate that time area, because sides are not given exactly. So first we need to read a question properly. Is question number 5. Sides of a triangle in the ratio. This word is very important here. And ratio is given like that. 12 is to 17 is to 25. And second important word is here perimeter. And perimeter is 540 centimeter. Our task is to find out area. So how to calculate area? So after reading this question, it is very clear sides are not given to us. Our first task is to let the sides. So we can say let the sides of triangle are. Clear? So what are the sides? We are letting, so let it 12x, 17x and 25x. So you can see nothing is changed in the statement, only one variable came here, that is x, that is unknown. So now what is the next thing? We have given here perimeter, and we can write perimeter is equals to 540 centimeter. Now you all know if these are sides and this is the perimeter, so we need to add them and it is equals to perimeter. So we can write therefore, or which implies 12x plus 17x plus 25x must be equals to 540 centimeter. I hope it is clear to you, because these are sides, so add them, it must be equals to perimeter. After that, our next task is to add this. If we are adding it 27 plus 17 plus 12, so we will come to know its answer is 54x and it become 540 centimeter. Next task is to calculate x from here. So x is equals to 540 upon 54. If you cancel out these, so it become 10 and answer is 10 centimeter. X is 10. So what are the value that time? If x is 10, so substitute here. Therefore, sides are, what are the sides? Sides are 12x, that means 12 into 10. It become 120 centimeter. One side is this. Second you know it is written 17x. So 17x means 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. Next is 17, after that we have 25x, so it become 250 centimeter. Now you can see we have all three sides. So what is the next requirement for finding area? Semi-perimeter. So what does mean semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means sum of three sides divided by 2, half of the perimeter. So perimeter is already given to us, this is perimeter, so I can write directly semi-perimeter. What is the semi-perimeter given to us? It is given, semi-perimeter means perimeter by 2. So cancel out. What is left with us? It left 2 to the 4, it become 40, 7 to the 40, 270 centimeters square. So next task is find the area. So we need to write now formula. Therefore, area of triangle by Heron's formula. Heron's formula is equals to, you all know what does mean of Heron formula now. It is the combination of this S semi-perimeter minus first side, S minus B, S minus C. Now substitute the values. So if you are substituting, so it become 270, then Next we have S minus A. S minus A means 270 minus first value. It is 120. Next 270 minus 170. 270 minus 170. And the last one 270 minus 250. So after this you come to know, here you will get 270. After this subtracting, now we need to subtract 120 from this. So it becomes 0, 5, 150 and multiply by here. If you are subtracting, it will become 100 and here it will left only 20. You can subtract it, it become 20. So next, up to here it is very easy. Now next is how we can factorize it in an exact form. Now see, 100 is here, so we can write 25 is 100 and 270 we can split into the form of 3 or 9 3s here. So in this way we can split it and we will get a right answer. So whatever the answer would come here, that you need to write here. In this way you can find out exact answer of any question. Again check what are the steps. Step is first read the question. It is the ratio is given to you. So sides are not with us. This is clear. Most of the students, they are committing mistake. They are writing 12 plus 7 plus 25 and their answer is wrong. So that's why I am telling you. This is very important to understand. This is in ratio, not on the sides. Next perimeter is given to you. Write perimeter, add and then find the value of x. After finding the value of x, a, b, c, these are the sides. Then semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. That is 270. Substitute in the formula and in this way you can calculate the answer in the last. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much.